Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you a chicken and dumpling casserole that I seen on another YouTube channel, and I thought my family would like it, and I thought that I would bring y'all along while I film it. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Get your 9x13 casserole dish out. You're going to need a stick of butter. You can either melt it in the microwave or you can stick it in the baking dish and stick that in the oven and let it melt it. And I've already done all of that. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my chicken and sprinkle all over the bottom. Okay. Alright, and then put a little bit of chopped onion. In it as well. And put some peas and carrots in there. I'm using a little bit more than what the recipe calls for. And typically I would use frozen for this, but my grocery store didn't have any frozen, so I just used canned this time. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and put a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. On top, let me show you how we're going to do the topping. Okay, so in a mixing bowl, just set that aside. In a mixing bowl, you're going to mix 2 cups of Bisquick and 2 cups of milk. A little bit of salt. So mix that all together. And we'll pour this mixture, the Bisquick and milk mixture, over the meat and veggies. Then you'll set this aside again. Get you another small bowl. And you're going to mix, well, I'll tell you what, we'll just use this. Another little small bowl. You're going to take 2 cups of chicken stock and a can of cream and chicken soup. And you're just going to whisk this together. Whisk this, get it broke up, and whisk away. You can also use a fork if you don't have a whisk. Okay. It's all, got all the clumps out, got it all mixed together. Take your baking dish and pour this over the top. Okay. Now, what you'll do is stick this in the oven for about an hour or until brown, and that'll be it. And I'll show you the finished product as soon as it comes out. Okay, y'all, this is after it has cooled a little bit. I did cook it a little bit longer, if you can tell, than need be, because I want to make sure that it was good and heated through. But you don't have to do that. It should still be just as good. It's really good for an all-in-one casserole, and it's really quick and easy. All right, I'll see y'all next time.